Gordon, I have no idea how you're still around after all this time, and like I said, I don't know, because you were destroyed by Diesel Timo, not exactly, you were pushed into the scrapper and got your face upside down, and now you're still here in one piece. Like last episode, there was only like your face left, but then there was a couple of the pieces left of you, but still, I have no idea how you're still around, Gordon, but I'm taking the express away from you for now. What? Yes, you've caused nothing but trouble since you you know, crashed Billy and Terence into the water. But who's gonna pull the express? It should be coming now. And here it is. A jet engine. Is Toby a part of it? Yes. But you can't make a jet engine push or pull my express. And why not? Well, I went insane back in 2020 when I had to act in that Adventures of Sodor episode, and I went flying around Sodor, and then I had to do it again 6 days ago. Well, Gordon, I'm making it pull the express whether you like it or not. But maybe I should pull the express, sir. Nah. Why, sir? No way, I've suddenly changed into a driver again. Anyway, because a jet engine's faster, and it's also more efficient. But, sir, you can't stop a jet engine once it goes. You have to wait until it runs out of fuel. Do we? Oh, well, we can just crash it at every station then. What? Okay then, well, goodbye. I'm still in shot, you know. The next day, Toad the brake van shunted the expressway. What? That's right. I am an express shunted brake van. Hey! I'm no longer useless. I can now be a leader! Not this again. Right, time to get these express coaches hooked up to the jet engine. Right now, just a final touch. No, I don't want to be Toby the jet engine. I'm Toby the tram engine. You sure you look like one of the boxes on the jet engine? I'm sure. Well, anyway, Toby the jet engine. You're now Toby the express jet engine. Oh, Toes, what is the top of my thinking about putting a tram engine at the front of an express train? At least with a jet engine, you will go fast. He's not any old tram engine, Mr. Spencer. He's a jet tram engine. What? Yeah, Toes, thanks for telling me, but that seems unlikely. Goodbye! Fire him up! And before you run me over, Toby, I'm gonna go over to the sea. Goodbye! Ah, much better. Oh, back in the sea. Well, that is the only place for a toad, I suppose. Uh-oh. Oh. Help me! Ah! My coaches! Ah, I was so right about Toby. He would never catch up to me. Ah! Oh my! Oh! I'm so enjoying my time in here. Do I hear something? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, hello, Toby. Nice in here, isn't it? So, how did this happen? First, Gordon has to retire from the Express for a while, and now you do jet engine. Sir, how can you not tell me apart from the jet engine? You are a box from the jet engine. I'm Toby. Bah! What? But you can't tell the difference. I know. But look, a coupling. Can we stop with these headphone? This could be hurting our headphone users, Gordon. Oh, sorry. So, yeah, I'm Toby the drum engine. I don't have to tell the difference. I don't know. Why have we got the same voice? I don't know. I think it's starting. So I didn't get my face upside down for nothing. Yippee! Why haven't I changed? I blame you, Toby, for me not being able to regenerate. But... No buts. You were one of the Edwards. But so was you. Oh, right. Bother! Let's just get back on topic. So, yes, goodbye on this episode of Random Stories. Woohoo! Woohoo!